That L is for low self-esteem. When you buy a scooty, we know you didn't learn any real vehicle. That's why we are giving you a toy. Don't put L on scooty. I saw one guy, he was driving a car with L sticker on it and baby on board. Are you teaching baby to drive? He is learning driving and parenting at the same time. And the way he was driving, he was bad at both. Because he took a turn and then put his indicator on. He was off by 10 seconds. ये सोच रहा होगा पीछे वाला मुझे जज कर रहा है कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूं. मैं इसे अब बताता हूं मैं क्या कर रहा था. I took a turn successfully. Now I should brag about it. लोग कह के लेते हैं, मैं लेके कहता हूं. That's like you go to toilet, you pee, and then you open your zip. Just laugh, no need to imagine. Everybody was like, oh, I saw drops on his jeans. I can see it. No need to imagine. But there's another thing they haven't upgraded yet is the government ambulances.